Did you know that polar bears are excellent swimmers? These incredible creatures can swim for long distances, reaching speeds of up to 6 miles per hour. They use their large front paws like paddles and their hind legs to steer. Surprisingly, polar bears can swim for days without getting tired. This ability is crucial for their survival as they need to swim in search of food, navigate across ice floes, and even hunt seals. It's truly amazing how these magnificent animals have adapted to their Arctic habitat.